This is Matthew Schultz of Para Explorer Project, resident paranormal investigators of the Very Haunted Queen Mary and hosts of the ship's late-night paranormal investigation tours. A concern among tour guests conducting electronic voice phenomenon recording sessions for the first time is what questions to ask. We suggest inquiries that evoke nostalgia in a spirit's mind. Favorite food, drinks, automobiles, sports, hobbies, and celebrities are all excellent trigger topics. Also, discussing commonalities you may have with a known spirit, such as a profession, military service, even a musical instrument you may share, is smart. Any subject matter that transcends a spirit's consciousness to when they were living within our realm can yield positive results, as this presentation demonstrates. Join the team on a July 7, 2014 Queen Mary Paranormal Investigation Tour. Using the recent 4th of July holiday as a trigger topic, the tour host, yours truly, asks ship spirits of their favorite holiday. An audio response discovered only on playback presents possible EVP, electronic voice phenomenon. Stunningly, the anomaly was captured by multiple guest audio recording devices. The location is the infamously haunted Green Room. Once located in the boiler room system's forward turbo generation room, the Green Room stood as a crew member lounge in the late 1980s. It had become abandoned and a favorite of many to investigate since. Much high strangeness had been experienced and captured within the area. Our first recording comes from Brianna G. of Los Angeles, California. Can you tell us what your favorite holiday is, please? Do you have a favorite holiday? Do you have a favorite holiday? A male vocalization appears to declare a favorite holiday, Christmas, as emanating from an unknown source. The addition of 2 captures eliminates the possibility of device handling noise by Brianna. Let's listen to our second recording from Michael M. of Sacramento, California. Can you tell us what your favorite holiday is, please? Do you have a favorite holiday? Do you have a favorite holiday? The third and final submission comes from the tour-exclusive EVP listening station, a group real-time recording and review experience that may allow for immediate detection of potential electronic voice phenomenon. Can you tell us what your favorite holiday is, please? Do you have a favorite holiday? Do you have a favorite holiday? The team and data review board unanimously agree Christmas is likely the reply. Because the voice is faint and distant and is open for interpretation, we will assign this potential EVP Class B. Do we celebrate special occasions when we pass on to the next realm? Do we retain special memories of times past in our consciousness? If spirits indeed acknowledge holidays, we certainly invite all to one of the most elegant celebrations of Christmas aboard the Queen Mary. Do you have a favorite holiday?